Welcome back again. See, in our previous class we have worked out some problems on integration by parts. Okay, so we have known about the isolate rule. Okay, see, isolate means we must give the preference whenever selecting the first function. So we have worked out some of the simple examples on integration by parts. That is a technique of integration. So in this session, let us discuss integrals of some other standard types. Okay, see, we have already derived some of the standard forms. See, 6 standard forms: integration of 1 by x square minus a square, integration of 1 by a square minus x square, integration of 1 by a square plus x square. So denominator is x square minus a square minus x square, and x square plus a square. Okay, then other 3 results were square root of, see, integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square, then integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square, integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square. So we are already familiar with the 6 standard results. So in all those 6 results, the numerator, we are observing that the numerator was 1. Okay, so here in this session, let us discuss some of the other standard integrals. Okay, so I have written the question itself on the board. Find the integral of, see, integration of, here numerator is only, it contains numerator. Okay, square root of x square minus a square. Okay, integral of, see, square root of x square minus a square. So integration of square root of x square minus a square with respect to x, and hence using this formula we have to find that integration of square root of x square minus 25. Observe this, integration of square root of x square minus a square. So it is a single function. So we know if a single function is given, what we should do, we must write that as that square root of x square minus a square into 1, and you take this as first function and 1 as second function, then you integrate by parts. This we have learnt in our previous class. Okay, so let us apply integration by parts and find the integral of this. So that is, let us equate it to see, x square minus a square into 1 with respect to x. Okay, now observe this. See, I will consider this as first function and this as second function. Now let us integrate this by parts. Okay, so I am going to integrate this by parts. So what is the formula for integration by parts? We know that. So let me write it here. So integration of uv is u into integration of v minus integration of integrated function into derivative of first function. So let us substitute that formula. See, first function is square root of x square minus a square into integration of second function is 1 with respect to x minus, see, integration of integration of, let me write it directly. See, integration of second function. So integration of 1 with respect to x is what, x into, okay, let me write this, derivative of first function. What is my first function? First function is a derivative of square root of x square minus a square with respect to x. Then let me write this x square minus a square into integration of 1 is what, x. Okay, minus, see, integration of, I will write this x as it is. See, problem is here, observe this, derivative of this. That's why you must know the formulas of differentiation, chain rule. Okay, we have discussed in our previous classes. So derivative of this, so you work out separately. See, I will write this derivative. Okay, what is the derivative of square root of x square minus a square? How do you write the derivative of that function? See, first observe here. See, root, under the square root I have x square minus a square. Okay, it is a form of root x. So under the square root we have x square minus a square. I will treat this whole thing as x, then it looks like derivative of root x. What is the derivative of root x? Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Let me use that first. So derivative of root x is what, 1 by, see, 2 root. So in place of x I have x square minus a square into this inner quantity. See, what is this inner quantity? Inner quantity is derivative of x square minus a square. Under the square root I have x square minus a square. What is the derivative of x square minus a square? Derivative of x square minus a square is, the derivative of x square is 2x. Then this derivative of a square is 0. A is a constant. So I will get 1 by 2 root x into derivative of x square minus a square, that is nothing but 2x. So observe this carefully. Then this 2 get cancels. So I will get only x divided by square root of x square minus a square. That I will write it here. See, x divided by this square root of x square minus a square. This is derivative of this. Okay, that's why I have worked out here. See, this is the rough work. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x into derivative of inner quantity. See, derivative of, what is this inner quantity? X square minus a square. Derivative of x square is what? 2x. Derivative of a square is 0. So we have to write like that. So that's what I have written here. See, the 2 get cancels. I get x in the numerator divided by x square minus a square. Then, okay, let me erase this. See, observe this. Square root of x square minus a square into x minus integration of, see, x into x, multiplying this I get x square divided by square root of x square minus a square. Okay, let me write this as a x square minus, see, a square. Okay, so observe this quantity. So we have to write this as it is. So no need to do anything here. See, x square minus a square, I write this x as it is. See, minus, see, observe this. See, in the numerator I have x square. In the denominator, see, in the denominator along with x square I have a square. See, this is a binomial, this is monomial, so I cannot split it. See, I want a square along with x square. So what I should do? So we should add and subtract a square to the numerator. See, x square is there. Okay, so I will subtract a square, then add a square. So then I will make this group. See, minus a square plus a square get cancelled, so I will get only x square. What is the trick here? Add a square and subtract a square. So make a group of x square minus a square and plus a square separately. Then square root of x square minus a square, that is x square minus a square whole to the power of, I can write that as half. Okay, square root of x square minus a square can be written as x square minus a square whole to the power of half into this dx as it is. Then let me write this as square root of x square minus a square into x as it is. See, minus. Now observe this carefully. Now numerator is a binomial. We treat this as one term and this another term. So binomial, and this term is a monomial. So binomial divided by monomial, I can split it. That is x square minus a square divided by denominator, plus into minus minus a square divided by denominator. That is, see, minus. Okay, I will put the bracket here. See, I will split it. Integration of, observe this carefully, x square minus a square divided by denominator. X square minus a square divided by, what is the denominator? X square minus a square whole to the power of half. See, first term divided by denominator plus, what is the second term? Second term is a square divided by denominator. What is the denominator? X square minus a square whole to the power of half into dx. This minus sign is outside. So I have splitted this. First term divided by denominator plus second term divided by denominator. So I have to integrate both. And now, so let me write this x square minus a square into x as it is. So observe carefully. See, this power is 1. X square minus a square whole to the power of 1 divided by x square minus a square whole to the power of half. So that means bases are same. See, bases are same. I have to subtract the powers. So x square minus a, see this, x square minus a square whole to the power of 1 divided by x square minus a square whole to the power of, you can write it directly, okay, half. It becomes x square minus a square. So use the law of index. A to the power of m by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. That is x square minus a square whole to the power of 1 minus half. That is nothing but x square minus a square whole to the power of 1 minus half means what? Half. See this, I get integration of x square minus a square, see, whole to the power of half, or I will get square root of x square minus a square. Okay, I will write this square root of, so 1 minus half means x square minus a square whole to the power of half. There is nothing but square root of x square minus a square. So simplifying this, I will get this. Then plus this a square, see, I will write this as it is. A square divided by this x square minus a square whole to the power of half, that I can write it as square root of x square minus a square. Okay, with respect to x. So let me continue from okay, this step. So observe each and every step carefully. See, left hand side, right, this is I. So that is, see, from this step I will continue here. See, square root of x square minus a square into x. See, I will remove this bracket, minus integration of this Okay, see minus, I written minus as it is. See integration of square root of x square minus a square with respect to x. Let me write this square root of x square minus a square with respect to x, then plus into minus. So this a square is constant, I will write it outside the integral sign. Then 1 by this square root of x square minus a square with respect to x. So I have removed the bracket. So on the left hand side, I can write that as right. See minus integration of square root of x square minus a square with respect to x, then plus into minus, write a square outside the integral sign, then 1 by square root of x square minus a square. Then see square root of x square minus a square into x. Okay, left and right. See minus. See this quantity. This is the I. See integral square root of x square minus a square into dx. That is the given integral. So I will replace this by I. Instead of this, I can write that as I. Then minus. Observe this a square as it is constant. See what is this formula? See we have already derived this in our previous class. This is one of the standard results. So what is the formula? See formula for integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square. See what is this? What is the formula? See denominator is irrational function. Integration of 1 by square root of x square minus a square is, so you know, that is log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. Okay, this is the standard result. So instead of this, you can write this as, see log of mod x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant. This is the standard integral plus constant of integration. So log of mod x plus square root of x square minus a square. Okay, I have used this result. That's why we have to remember this result. Then see this minus I will take the left hand side. That this I will write it as it is. So minus I bring to the left hand side plus I. Then you write all the terms side. X square minus a square into x. Then minus a square into log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integral. So I plus I, that will be what? 2i. Square root of x square minus a square into x minus a square into log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus c. So I want only integral. See I is equal to, so this 2 comes to the denominator. Okay, I will write this 2 in the denominator. That is, I will write it in the proper way. See x is there. So if 2 comes to the denominator, I can write this as x by 2 into square root of x square minus a square minus, so a square is there. See I will write 2 itself here. A square by 2 into log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration. So this is the integral. See, this is the integral of this given function. That is, so I can replace as, okay, this is I only. That is integration of square root of x square minus a square is, okay, this one. You observe this. This is the integral of square root of x square minus a square is this one, minus a square by 2 log of x plus square root of x square minus a square. See, hence you find this. So that is integral of square root of, see, x square minus 25 is given. I can write that as 5 square. See, instead of here you put 5. See, x by 2 square root of, see, x square minus 5 square. 5 square means what? 25. Minus, see, a square. A is 5. 5 square means 25. Okay, 25 by 2 log of x plus square root of x square minus 25 plus constant of integration. Problem is over. So this is one of the standard forms. Okay, here we have, so how we have integrated this? We have used integration by parts. Okay, square root, integration of square root of x square minus a square is x by 2 into square root of x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into log of x plus square root of x square minus a square plus constant of integration. So note down the solution. Then let us go for okay, second one. So our second integral is so find the integral of square root of x square plus a square, and hence find, let us find this x square. So we change this. See, our second integral is find the integral of square root of x square plus a square, and hence find integration of square root of x square plus 25. Okay, so let us use this integration by parts again. So it is a single function, so I can write that as square root of x square plus a square into 1. Now integrate it by parts. So that is square root of x square plus a square into, see, integration of 1 minus integration of, see, integration of 1 is what, x, into, see, derivative of square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. Then square root of x square plus a square into, see, integration of 1 is what, x, minus integration of this x into, see, derivative of this root x. What is this derivative of root x? Root x is 1 by, observe this, 1 by 2 root x. X is, okay, instead of x we have x square plus a square into this derivative of inner quantity. See, derivative of x square is what, 2x. Derivative of a square is 0. So no need to worry about that. So this 2 get cancels. So I will get square root of x square plus a square into x minus the integration of x into x, that is x square divided by, so I get square root of x square root of x square plus a square. See, in the numerator I have only x square. See here, a square is there. So add and subtract a square. So add and subtract a square to the numerator. Then group these two. Thus it has been done for our previous derivation. See, I have added a square and subtracted a square. So make a group of this. Then I will get what, square root of x square plus a square minus the integration of, see, I will split it now. First term x square plus a square divided by this, that is x square plus a square divided by this square root of x square plus a square, that can be written as x square plus a square whole to the power of half. Okay, with respect to x. See, minus integration of first term divided by this x square plus a square to the power of half. Then you observe this minus into minus. Okay, with respect to x, minus into minus, that is plus. Then you take this a square outside, integral of 1 by, see, second term is 1 divided by the square root of x square plus a square with respect to x. See, I have written it directly. So you have to be careful about this sign. See, minus into minus, that will be plus. So a square will be outside. Okay, then see, this power is 1. So then integration of x square plus a square into x minus, see, observe this. I will show it once again as we done in our previous derivation. See, x square plus a square whole to the power of 1 divided by x square plus a square whole to the power of half means I can subtract the powers. What is that? X square plus a square whole to the power of 1 minus half. That will be what? X square plus a square whole to the 1 minus half means what? Half. Or this can be written as square root of x square plus a square. So this whole thing can be written as integration of square root of x square plus a square plus, see, this a square as it is. See, what is this integral? This is standard form. We have already derived the integration of 1 by square root of x square plus a square. That is, the formula for this is log of x plus square root of x square plus a square mod. So we can write this as constant of integration. Now square root of x square plus a square into x. Okay, then see this, observe this integral of square root of x square plus a square. Integral of square root of x square plus a square is what? I. So I can replace this as, see, I plus, write all the terms as it is, see, log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus constant of integration as it is. Then you bring this I to the left hand side as we done in our previous derivation. See, I plus I, that will be what? 2i. So in the next step, what I will do, see, 2i, that becomes 2i. 2i is equal to x into square root of x square plus a square plus a square into log of x plus square root of x square plus a square plus constant of integration. So we want I. So I is equal to x by 2 into square root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log of mod x plus square root of x square plus a square plus constant of integration. So this is the next standard. See, integral of square root of x square plus a square is x by 2 into square root of x square plus a square plus a square by 2 into log of x plus square root of x square plus a square. Okay, see, and find this x square plus 25. So what we can do for that is, observe carefully. So very simple. So just we can replace that. So this I is equal to, say, integration of square root of x square plus, say, 25 means what? 5 square. So I can write that as, say, x by 2 into square root of, copy this, x square plus 5 square, or you can write 25 plus, see, this a square by 2. So a means 5, 5 square means what? 25. 25 by 2 into log of x plus square root of x square plus 25 plus constant of integration. Okay, so this is our second standard integral. So we have to note down these two results. Then let us go for the third. Okay, so find the integral of, so the third one is find the integral of square root of a square minus x square. Hence find integral of square root of 81 minus x square with respect to x. Observe this. This is the third standard form. Find the integral of this. See, method is same. We can use by you can use the integration by parts formula. So we can integrate this by using the integration by parts. So I can write that as, see, a square minus x square into 1 with respect to x. See, observe this. This is my first function. This is my second one. See, first function is this into integration of 1 minus integration of 1 is what? X. See, into, so I will work out there. See, derivative of first function. So observe this carefully. Derivative of, see, square root of a square minus x square. What is the derivative of root x? That is 1 by 2 root x into, see, derivative of inner quantity. What is this inner quantity? See, inner quantity is this time a square minus x square. This is inner quantity. Then this is, the derivative of x square is 0 minus derivative of x square is what? 2x. That is, I get minus 2x into minus 2x. Then this 2 get cancelled. See, I get minus x. See, x into, so what is the derivative of first function? Minus x divided by square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. So we have to be careful here. See, minus x divided by square root of a square minus x square. Then okay, let me, so I think you have understood this step. Then next step, let me write this, a square minus x square. So integration of 1 is what? X minus, see, I will write minus as it is. See, minus x into x, that is minus x square divided by square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. So in the numerator I have minus x square. Okay. See, in the numerator I have minus x square. Now, so for the previous two expressions of derivations, see, we have added and subtracted a square. See, here a square is present with x square. So a square minus x square. So I will add a square and subtract a square. See, already minus x square is there. So I will add, see, I have added a square. I will write this minus x square as it is. I have added a square, then I have to subtract a square. See, plus a square minus a square divided by, so write this square root of a square minus x square in the denominator as it is. That's it. Then write the remaining things as it is. See, a square minus x square. See, I will write this minus sign as it is. So now we have to split this. The first term is a square minus x square divided by denominator minus a square divided by denominator. That is, see, minus integration of see the degree is 1 here. See a square minus, okay, let me write this here. A square minus x square divided by a square minus x square whole to the power of half. So now this is 1. So I can subtract the powers. A square minus x square whole to the power of, see, 1 minus half is half. Or I can write this as square root of a square minus x square. Only this two. See, this splitting this, I will get square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. Then minus into minus, that is plus. Write this a square outside the integral sign into integration of 1 by this denominator, square root of a square minus x square with respect to x. So note down this step carefully. Okay, this minus into minus will be plus. Written a square outside the integral sign, then 1 by this. So write all the terms as it is. See, I'll write first x into square root of a square minus x square. See, observe this term within the integral sign. See this integral of square root of a square minus x square into dx. Square root of a square minus x square into dx is I. So I can replace this as I. So left hand side I already I here. Then see, plus, write this a square as it is. See, a square. What is this formula? See, integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square. So that is, see, this formula. Remember this one, integration of 1 by square root of a square minus x square is sin inverse x by a. So we have derived that formula also, sin inverse of x by a plus constant of integration. Observe that right hand side. So this is a standard formula and I have replaced this by I. So you shift this minus I to the left hand side. Then in the next step I will get 2i. Okay, 2i is equal to, so this I comes to the left hand side, I plus I, that will be what? 2y is equal to x into square root of a square minus x square plus a square into sin inverse x by a plus c. I want I, see, integral. I is equal to, so this 2 comes to the denominator, x by 2 into square root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse x by a plus constant of integration. So this is the integral of square root of a square minus x square. So by taking the help of this formula, so we can replace that. So that is, so you observe this carefully. So I will consider this. So that is I is equal to square root of, see, 9 square minus x square with respect to x. So square root of a square minus x square. So here a is what? 9. So my right hand side should be this. See, x by 2 to square root of, see, this a square minus x square. So a square minus x square means I have to write the same thing. 9 square minus x square or 81 minus x square, both are same. 81 minus x square plus, see, a square by 2. A means 9. This 9 square means 81. 81 by 2 into sin inverse x divided by a means what? 9 plus c. See this. This is the required integral. Okay. See, in this session we have derived 3 more standard types. So previously we have derived 6 results, and in this session we have derived 3 more standard results. So how many standard integrals are there? 6 plus 3, that is 9 standard integrals. Okay. See, so far what we have done, see, observe this carefully. 1 by x square minus x square, integration of 1 by x square minus x a square, then integral of 1 by a square minus x square, integral of 1 by a square plus x square, then integral of 1 by square root of x square minus a square with respect to x, integral of 1 by square root of a square minus x square, then integral of 1 by square root of x square plus a square or a square plus x square with respect to x. Then in this session, integral of 1 by, integral of square root of a square minus x square, integral of square root of x square minus a square, then integral of square root of x square plus a square. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9 standard integrals. So we have derived all these results, and with the help of these results, we can deduce the given integral. Okay. So work out and practice these derivations and remember these results. These results will be very helpful for us in future. Okay. Let us continue to consider some more concepts in the next class. Oh.